Insights from the auditory processing and stroke rehabilitation. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Behrad. I'm a fourth year PhD student in electrical engineering and I'm passionate about understanding how brain changes over time. Let's start by imagining a musical symphony where each instrument plays a unique and essential role in creating the song below. Similarly, our brain is composed of billions of neural connections working together to process and comprehend the world around us. However, just like a musical ensemble can become disorganized, our brain can also experience disruptions such as age-related changes in hearing or experiencing a stroke. And that's exactly where my research comes in. By studying the connectivity in the auditory cortex of younger and older adults, we aim to deepen our understanding of auditory processing and possibly enhance the design of hearing aid devices. Also, by examining the connectivity changes in the brain of stroke patients during clinical rehabilitation, we can better understand the post-stroke recovery process and potentially improve treatment outcomes. You may ask how? Well, my research employs magnetoencephalography or MEG, a relatively new but more importantly non-invasive technology for human brain scans, which provides excellent temporal resolution. However, its spatial resolution can be somewhat blurry, which makes it difficult to determine the exact location of the connection. To overcome this, we propose a method called network localized grandeur causality or NLGC, which measures whether one brain region is influencing another one or not. And if yes, how strong is this connection? My method models the potential connections directly from the brain scans and examines how these connections can explain the recorded data, which provides a clearer picture of the whole brain's connectivity. In the case of speech comprehension, our brain integrates sensory input to make sense of the information we receive. When sensory input is degraded though, we rely on our executive functions and cognition to fill in the gaps. And this process can change with age as the underlying neural system may degrade. Our findings indicate that younger adults in a clean speech environment have decreased communications from frontal region to the auditory cortex, while in noisy conditions the flow of information is actually reversed. On the other hand, for older adults, we already have bidirectional communications between these two areas, regardless of the listening condition. Isn't that beautiful? Two different auditory mechanisms for younger and older adults. Our methodology NLGC can be also used as a predictive biomarker for stroke severity and rehabilitation outcome. Our findings show specific regions within the motor cortex become more involved during clinical rehabilitation, which aids in the development of more effective treatment strategies. So, remember that our brain can reorganize neural network connections in response to age-related changes or injuries, exactly like a musician who's playing off beat and is trying to adapt to the rhythm over time. With that, I would love to conclude my presentation and dedicate this to Mahsa Amini. Thanks.
As a child of musicians and someone who's wearing 2 hearing aids, I totally get this stuff. That was fabulous. Thank you so much.